Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. In the last class already I explained the method of substitution and I explained so many examples. In the today's class I will give another method. See, if the problems are in this form, that is f of x raised to n and f dash of x into dx, that means differentiation of this gives you here. Here the power is usually the power is other than 1 generally. And here f dash of x upon f of x, that means here we have a derivative, here we have a function. I will explain these type of examples, and generally when you are applying these type of examples we have to go for a method of substitution, and generally 99% see the power, usually the power which has the other than 1, that we have to write down as a substitution. Or one more hint is comparing these two, here it is x square, differentiation of x square will be x, that means obviously this will be the substitution. Already you are familiar with basics differentiation, so with the help of that basics only, 2x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to t. Remember, whenever you are moving for a substitution, write down without power, in only few examples with power. Now differentiate, differentiation of 2x square is 4x minus 6, and I told you write down 1 dx common. What is required? 2x minus 3. This is required. But we have 4x minus 3, 6. Take 2 common. So write down that. This is t raised to 3 by 2 into dt by 3. 1 by 3 constant, it is in the form of x raised to n. Five by 2 goes up, it is 2 by 15. T value is 2x square minus 6x plus 4 raised to 5 by 2 plus. See, is it very simple or what? Yes, all the sums are very simple. Only thing, remember that concept. And maximum times we are in the fraction, in the problem is a fraction, in the denominator we are writing t. I will explain that general method, then I will move to the example. If the problems are in the form of f dash of x upon f of x, we are writing that denominator as a t. Differentiation of f of x is what? Into dx is equal to dt. Integration of 1 by t is log t. That is integration of f dash of x upon f of x into dx is log of f of x plus c. Again this is the standard formula. Understood? If you write the formula directly, you have to write that formula in front of that. For example, if it is cos x upon sin x. See, what is always for the denominator? What is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So directly we can write. Why? Because it is in the form of differentiation of denominator gives numerator. See, differentiation of sin x is cos x, correct or what? That we are using. Like this we are using this formula. Otherwise you can directly go for substitution. I will explain both. Moving to the next question, question number 92. Here we have a fraction, but in the denominator it is under root. If it is under root, apply method of substitution. Write down the denominator as a t, that too without root you have to write. Differentiate. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Differentiation of 4x is 4. Into dx is dt. Here it is x plus 2. That means take 2 common. So x plus 2 into dx is dt by 1 by root t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 constant. Have you remembered what is the integration of 1 by root x? Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Here in place of x we have a t. Write down that t value. Because the problem is started with x, so answer should be in the form of x only. 96. And you know that when you are going for a differentiation, the power goes on decreasing. That means usually which is a power greater than, comparing to the given terms, which one is a bigger power, write down that as a t. Here then tell me what is the substitution. 1 plus x square is equal to t. Here we require this value. Differentiate this. 2x into dx is dt. I marked here. We required only x into dx, dt by 2. Root t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 constant. Root t means t raised to half. Value is plus. We will explain all the different types of examples. (94) For students' convenient, I wrote like this. Can we write like this or what? Now you are familiar. What will be the substitution? 1 is differentiation of 1 is 0. When you are in the integration, you are doing the substitution, you have to differentiate. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. So we have 1 by x into dx or what? This value is what then? That value is dt. 1 by root t into dt. Integration of 1 by root t is 2 root t. Question number 95. Cos x upon cube root of 1 minus 9 sin x. Now tell me what will be the substitution. 1 minus sin x is equal to t. Minus 9 as it is. 1 anyhow 1 is 0. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Into dx is dt. Cos x into dx I kept as it is because that we required. Here this is cos x into dx. That is minus dt by 9. 1 upon cube root of t minus dt by 9. Cube root of t will be written as what? Cube root of t is t raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 constant 1 upon t raised to 1 by 3 into dt. So this will be 1 by 9 t raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 t raised to 4 by 3 upon 4 by 3 plus it is 1 by 12. So it goes up, become negative. Sorry, I did a mistake. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is 2 by 3. Yes. 3 and 3 get cancels. It is 1 by 6. T value is what? 1 minus 9 sin x raised to 2 by 3 plus c. Sorry, here I did a mistake. When t raised to 1 by 3 goes up, it becomes minus and it is in the form of x raised to n. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the negative. I wrote like that. Question number 96. Here, next question 96. 1 upon cos square x into 1 plus tan x whole square. This we can write correct or not? And you are familiar. Almost in 99% for denominator we are writing t, that too without power. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. See, we have that in the numerator or what? Yes. That place we have to write dt. It is 1 by t square into dt. Open your formula list. What is the integration of 1 by t square? That is minus 1 by t. Moving to the next question. Question number 97. Cot x upon log sin x. For these type of examples, basic differentiation is necessary. See, log sin x as a t, denominator as a t. Differentiation of log sin x is what? 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin x is cos x, chain rule. Dx is equal to dt. Cos by sin is cot. Cot x into dx is dt. And that we required here. See, that is dt. And log sin x complete term is t. Integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. Write down the t value. Log as it is, log outside. Again t is log sin x. If you want, write down in the bracket also. Plus c. Moving to the next question. Question number 97. So 98. Integration of 3 into root of tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. See, we are familiar almost in all the fractions we are writing denominator as a t. But in few examples it depends on the problem. For our convenient I wrote like this. And we are familiar with the differentiation. That's why I am writing tan inverse x as a t. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. See this In place of 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx, we can write dt. 3 constant. This 3 gets cancelled, 2 goes up, t value is tan inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Moving to the next question. Question number 99. Root of 1 minus x square into sine inverse x. This we can write as correct or what? For our convenient, I can write one more step for students' sake. If you want, you can write like this also. Now, even though fraction, but depending on the basic differentiation. Differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. That's why I am writing sine inverse x as a t. This value is dt. 1 upon root t into dt. What is integration of 1 by root t? 2 root t. Write down that t value. T is sine inverse of x. Yes. Next, moving to the next question. Question number 100. X raised to e minus 1 plus e raised to x minus 1 divided by. See here, it is a fraction. I am writing x raised to e plus e raised to x as the t. What is the differentiation of x raised to e? E is a value lying between 2 and 3. That means it is a number. X raised to e is plus e raised to x is e raised to x. For complete together I am writing dx. We require x raised to e minus 1. This e we don't require. Take that as a common. And this will be written like this. Correct. And what is the power of e in the denominator? This value is 1. It goes up. Dx is equal to dt. E is extra. Dt by e. 1 by t into dt by e. 1 by e constant, write it outside. It is log e to the base e plus c. Write down that e value. X raised to e plus e raised to x plus 6. Is it simple or what? I will explain 10 more examples related with this method only. Yes, moving to the next question, 101. 5 secant cube x into tan x. You know that differentiation of sec is secant to tan. Differentiation of tan is secant square, but it is a cube. 5 constant I wrote outside. And I split secant cube like this. Understood? If you are exactly, perfectly thorough in that differentiation, then we are writing sec x as a t. Differentiation of sec is sec into tan. See, what about this value? That is dt. 5 constant, t square into t. 5 into t value is, so like this. Next, 102 x upon x square plus 1. It is a fraction. I am writing denominator as a t. 2x into dx is dt, but we require only x into dx. X into dx is dt by 2. So it is 1 by t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 constant, t is 1 by t is log t plus c. What is log t value? T is 1 plus x square or x square plus 1. That is the answer. Next, moving to the next question. Question number 103. X upon 1 minus x square. Here the substitution is 1 minus x square is equal to t minus 2x into dx, because differentiation of 1 is 0. We required only x into dx. Minus dt by minus 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 by t is log t. Write on that t value. Next question 104. Now you are familiar. Before me only you can write it. Correct or not? Differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x is 1, dx is equal to dt. So that is present in the numerator. Integration of 1 by t is log t to the base e. If you not written e also, it is understood. Write on that e value. One not 5. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of minus x cube is minus 3x square into dx is dt. Minus is not required. So minus goes that side. 1 by t minus dt. Minus common, integration of 1 by t log t. Write on that t value. 1 minus x cube plus then x square plus 1 whole cube. Here these two terms, out of these two terms, differentiation of x square, when you differentiate the one term less, that's why for students convenient I wrote like this, and x square plus 1 as a t. Differentiation of x square is 2x into dx is dt. See the board, we required only x into dx. Integration of t cube is t raised to 4 by 4. Now write down that t value. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. T value is x square plus 1 raised to 4 plus 107. And see, it is very interesting. Differentiation of cos gives you sine, sine gives you cos. But sine does not gives you cos to the power 4. That's why I am writing cos x without the power. Differentiation of cos x is minus sine x into dx is equal to dt. But here we require only sine x into dx, not minus sine x. That's why sine x into dx will be minus dt. This is t raised to 4 minus dt. Minus outside integration of t raised to 4 is t raised to 5 upon 5. Write down that t value. Moving to the next question. By seeing this, now students will get a smile on face because the problem is very simple. Before me, they will solve it. I'm sure about it. Yes, tell me what will be the substitution? Yes, the substitution will be tan x because the differentiation of tan x will be secant square x. Yes, all of you solved it? Then check your solution with me. Whatever I am writing, check with that. See, already you are familiar with the formula. Now tell me, this is the fraction. Instead of substitution, I will explain one more method. What is the differentiation of the denominator? Denominator is e raised to x plus 1. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. That means the final answer is e raised to x. See, is the example is in the form of f dash of x upon f of x or what? The meaning is differentiation of denominator gives the numerator. At that time it is log of denominator. In front of that, if you write the formula, directly you can write the answer. That means you should be thorough in differentiation also. Here what will be the substitution? Cos x is equal to t. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into dx. And that to be required in the problem. See, e raised to cos x is t. This is dt. What is the integration of e raised to t? E raised to t. Write down that t value. Plus c. Plus c, separate, don't write it in the power. Plus c. Correct or what? Now in the next class, I will give you the NCERT exercise, that is 7 point.